Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to explore SDXL styles. Now, what is SDXL styles? So, we already know that in Focus there is a way to generate, you know, different styles, and that feature is inbuilt in Focus. Now, what I say that you can achieve little bit similar, or you can say 80% similar things in automatic AI also, and also in Forge. Because though Focus is quite easy and very good, user friendly, but the amount of freedom you get in Forge or automatic 1111 is much, better. So today I am going to discuss about those styles, and let me first show you some images that I created with these styles. So if you see, this is an image which is created in GTA style, right? Then this is, you can say, a fairy tale, and this is a cat like a gangster. It's a realistic picture. This is all, but if you see, it has a little bit of anime style. So this is how it will going to work. So let me walk you through the process. To achieve these styles, we need to install an extension which is known as SDXL styles, and you can visit this link and install this on your automatic 1111 or Forge UI. You need to go to install from URL and use this link to install it. After that, when you restart your automatic 1111 or Forge, you will get this extension here. So to start the work, you need to install enable style select. Okay. And one more thing, these styles, this extension is under work, so they keep on updating these styles on regular basis. Okay. So if you like this extension, please support the developer. So let's start with a basic prompt. A cute cat as a gangster. It is funny, right? So let's try this thing. And I am going to use realistic stock photo model, and we are going to first let's generate without any style. So here we have our cat as a gangster, and it has like a New York City in the background. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's enable this. And now we are going to apply a style. Let's say we want cinematic photograph. I choose this thing, this selection, and rest everything will be same. I click generate, and let's see what happens. Okay, so this is a little bit a cinematic approach. Let's generate one more image. Oh, this is cute, cute. Our cat gangster is here. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say cyberpunk. And we will generate 2 images. Let's see what happens. Our cat looks a little bit angry. Okay. Oh, these two are, this is beautiful, right? If you see, this is beautiful. Our cat, a deadly cat. Hey, here is our deadly cat. Okay, let's do our favorite game GTA. And we will generate 2 images again. Let's see what happened. Okay. Now this kitty is looking like a boss. And this is like the right hand, left hand. something like that. So see, this is really crazy and this is beautiful. And there are so many styles. Let's try horror and see what happens. Like, but this doesn't look horror at any way. The cat is very cute. But you get a gist, right? How you can generate. There are so many format. Let's say Super Mario. Let's see what happens. I'm generating only one. Okay, now this. Okay, so Super Mario carrying a gun. Okay, so cat is gone, but we have Super Mario. Let's try one more. Okay, it is mixing, a cat and Super Mario in one image. Why not we try a Princess Peach? Princess Peach here. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, this looking good. Our Q2 Princess Peach is here as a gangster. She looks good. See, this is good. So let's do one thing. There are so many formats which you can use. For example, let's say if I want to use anime, let's see what happens. So these are two beautifully created images that you generated by using these SDXL styles. Okay, so this is really crazy and I love the outputs, how beautiful and how creative these outputs are. And if I disable this, let's say what it create. So we have this a little bit realistic, and this is the old one. So these are the styles. Now let me show you one more thing. So go to Civit AI and search for this, link or this asset. Here, you need to download these styles. Okay, this is like a extension, or you can say more styles are updated here recently. So you can add these styles into your automatic 1111. To do it, you need to first download this file and then go to your installation, where if you are using automatic 1111, you need to go into extension, and same is for the Forge also. Go to this folder, Style Selector XL, and this is the folder which I already, file which I already downloaded. Take a backup like of your old file, just like add old or something, and then copy this JSON file here. You need to restart your environment, and then you will get, all these styles, more styles. Initially, when you start, you will get a little bit less, but after this update, you will get a lot of styles. Like I think more than you can say 70, around 100 styles. Initially, you will get around 50, but it will add more. So that's it about this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your time, and stay healthy, stay safe. We will meet again in the next video. Take care and bye.